Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mohan Panu's vlog. So I have done a part 1 of this video. I hope you have seen that video. If you have not seen, I will just link in the suggestion box below. Let's move on to the part number 2. First, matches. In the early 1800s, British pharmacist John Walker would routinely prepare medicines using wooden sticks to mix the chemicals together. One day, he noticed that one of the sticks had some substance stuck to it. When he tried to scrape it off, the stick caught fire, and that's how he came upon this brilliant idea to make life easier in the world with no electricity. He started making and selling these cardboard matches, which he later replaced with 3-inch wooden sticks accompanied by a piece of sandpaper to light them. Walker humbly decided not to patent his invention because he believed it would be easier for him to benefit humanity this way. Matches soon became popular all over the world and are still a useful commodity. Second, Teflon. American scientist Roger Plunkett was doing research for the company DuPont with the goal of finding a way to make their fridges safer by replacing the hazardous refrigerant furan with something else. He must have thought it was another failed experiment when he found that the gas mixture he had created just vanished overnight and all that was left was some whitey wax substance in the container. That strange substance proved to have some useful qualities. It was non-reactive, non-stick and resistant to extreme temperature from -100 degrees to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. In 1941, DuPont patented the inventions that we all know today as Teflon. Third, Coca-Cola. John Pemberton wasn't a businessman. He was just a pharmacist trying to find a way to get rid of headaches. So he came up with a simple recipe consisting of 2 ingredients, coca leaves and cola nuts, combined into a syrup. It went on the market in 1886. The syrup was supposed to be mixed with water, but the seller once mixed it with soda by accident. And this is how the delicious and refreshing drink we all love today was created. Fourth, Post-it notes. Dr. Spencer Silver was working as a chemist for 3M Company back in 1968. He was trying to create a super strong adhesive, but what he got instead was quite the opposite. A low-tack yet high-quality adhesive, only strong enough to hold up a piece of paper, but durable enough to be relocated multiple times without losing its stick. It wasn't until 1974 when the use for his invention was found. His colleague needed something to mark his possession in the church choir, and sober sticky paper worked like a charm. The name Post-it note was later found, and they became a must-have at home, schools and offices and around the world. Fifth, safety glasses. French chemist Edward Benedictus once accidentally knocked a beaker off his desk. To his surprise, it didn't shatter into pieces but just cracked throughout. He couldn't figure out why until he noticed that the beaker had a thin film of liquid plastic in it, left over from a previous experiment, and this is how shatterproof glass was invented. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.